What if the moon isn't just a celestial body to admire from afar, but a stepping stone to the stars? This is the premise of the Artemis program. To truly grasp the magnitude of Artemis, let's take a moment to revisit the history of lunar exploration. The Apollo missions that took place between 1969 and 1972 marked the first manned voyages to the moon. These landmark missions gave us a glimpse of what's beyond our world, but left us with more questions than answers. Fast forward to today, and we find ourselves on the cusp of a new era of lunar exploration with Artemis. Unlike Apollo, Artemis isn't just about footprints and flags. It's about setting up a sustainable presence on the moon. This means continuous scientific investigation, technological advancement, and paving the way for future manned missions to Mars and beyond. The Artemis program is divided into 3 distinct phases. Artemis 1 sets the stage with an uncrewed test flight around the moon. Artemis 2 will follow this with the first crewed mission, taking astronauts around the moon but not landing. It's Artemis 3 that captures the world's imagination, promising to land astronauts, including the first woman and the next man on the lunar South Pole by 2024. The vision doesn't stop there. Artemis seeks to establish a sustainable human presence on the moon by the late 2020s. This involves building an outpost, conducting long-term research, and using the moon as a proving ground for technologies that will be pivotal for future deep space missions. In essence, Artemis represents a paradigm shift in lunar exploration. It's not just about reaching the moon, it's about staying there, learning there, and using our satellite as a launch pad to the stars. As we delve into the Artemis program, we find ourselves on the brink of a new era of lunar exploration. The Artemis program isn't just about ambition, it's about innovation. The Space Launch System, SLS, Orion Spacecraft, and Lunar Gateway Station are all testament to this. The SLS, a super heavy-lift expendable launch vehicle, is the backbone of the Artemis fleet. It's designed to carry humanity back to the moon and beyond. The SLS's core stage, powered by 4 RS-25 engines, is the largest rocket stage ever built by NASA. Its boosters, each standing taller than a 20-story building, provide more than 75% of the vehicle's liftoff thrust. Then we have the Orion Spacecraft, a modern marvel of human engineering. Orion is specifically built for the Artemis missions, designed to transport astronauts from Earth to lunar orbit and back. It's equipped with advanced life support, communication, and propulsion systems, and can support a crew of 4 for up to 21 days in space. Orion's navigation system is a blend of star tracking and inertial measurement, allowing for precise and safe deep space travel. And finally, we have the Lunar Gateway. This small space station in lunar orbit serves as a staging point for lunar surface missions and scientific research. It's designed for sustainability and versatility. The Gateway is equipped with habitation modules for astronauts, docking ports for visiting spacecraft, and communication systems to maintain a constant link with Earth. Its propulsion system is a hybrid of chemical and electrical propulsion, maximizing efficiency and endurance in the harsh lunar environment. The Artemis fleet is a culmination of cutting-edge technologies. From the mighty roar of the SLS's engines to the precision navigation of the Orion spacecraft and the versatility of the Lunar Gateway, each component plays a crucial role. They embody the spirit of exploration, the thirst for knowledge, and the drive for technological advancement. These technological marvels are the linchpins of the Artemis program, each one a marvel of human ingenuity. Exploration isn't just about going somewhere new, it's about learning something new. The Artemis program is a scientific mission at its core. The lunar surface, largely untouched for billions of years, is a treasure trove of scientific opportunities. It's a time capsule that holds answers to some of the most profound questions about the origins of our solar system. As part of the Artemis program, an array of scientific investigations are planned to unlock these secrets. One key focus will be lunar geology. The moon's surface is littered with a variety of rocks, from basalts formed by ancient volcanic activity to the anorthosites of the lunar highlands. The Artemis astronauts will collect these samples, providing invaluable material for scientists back on Earth to study. Yet, the mission isn't just about picking up rocks. The Lunar Surface Science Instrumentation Program will equip the Artemis missions with state-of-the-art tools designed to probe deeper into the Moon's mysteries. These instruments will measure seismic activity, investigate subsurface structure, and analyze the lunar atmosphere or exosphere to better understand the Moon's evolution over time. In addition, the Artemis program is also keen on astronomy. The Moon's far side, shielded from Earth's radio noise, offers an unparalleled opportunity for radio astronomy. With instruments like the Lunar Surface Electromagnetic Experiment, or LUSI, Artemis aims to explore the low-frequency cosmic radio waves that are otherwise lost in Earth's ionosphere. And let's not forget about resource utilization. With experiments like the Lunar Polar Hydrogen Mapper, Artemis will map the Moon's water ice deposits. This information will not only enhance our understanding of the Moon's geologic history, but also evaluate the potential for in-situ resource utilization, a critical step towards sustained human presence on the Moon. The potential for discovery is vast, and the implications for our understanding of the universe are profound. The Artemis program is more than just footprints and flags. It's about pushing the boundaries of human knowledge and igniting the sparks of curiosity that drive us to explore. Every great endeavor faces challenges, and the Artemis program is no exception. But every challenge is an opportunity for innovation. The Artemis program grapples with a plethora of technical challenges, each more complex than the last. Let's start with radiation exposure. Space is a harsh environment, teeming with galactic cosmic rays and solar particle events. These high-energy particles pose significant health risks to astronauts. To counteract this, NASA is developing advanced shielding materials and protocols, transforming adversity into a catalyst for innovation. Next up, extreme temperature fluctuations. The lunar surface experiences temperatures as low as -173 degrees Celsius at night, and as high as 127 degrees Celsius during the day. To tackle this, NASA is working on thermal control systems for both the Orion spacecraft and the astronaut suits, ensuring that our lunar explorers remain safe and comfortable. Then there's the lunar dust problem. This fine, abrasive substance not only poses a threat to astronauts' health, but can also damage equipment. NASA is thus engineering dust mitigation strategies, including electrostatic dust shields and specialized materials resistant to lunar dust. Resource management is yet another hurdle. The logistics of transporting materials to the Moon are complex and costly. To address this, NASA is pioneering in-situ resource utilization techniques, aiming to utilize lunar resources for life support, fuel production, and construction. Finally, there's the challenge of ensuring the safety and reliability of all mission hardware. Rigorous testing and qualification processes are in place to validate each component's performance in the harsh lunar environment. This involves subjecting hardware to extreme conditions on Earth, simulating the rigors of space travel. Each challenge faced by the Artemis program is a stepping stone towards progress, a chance to push the boundaries of human innovation. By developing solutions to these problems, we're not only making lunar exploration possible, but we're also creating technologies and systems that could benefit life here on Earth. With every hurdle overcome, we move one step closer to the Moon. The Artemis program isn't just a NASA mission, it's a global endeavor. International collaboration is at the heart of this ambitious journey. From the onset, Artemis has been a testament to global cooperation. It's not just about planting a flag on the Moon. It's about uniting nations in a common goal. This isn't a race, but a relay, where each participant carries the baton forward, contributing their unique strengths and expertise. The European Space Agency, ESA for instance, is playing a pivotal role. ESA's European Service Module provides the Orion spacecraft with propulsion, power, and life support systems, a testament to their engineering prowess. Then there's JAXA, the Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency, contributing their expertise in robotics to the Lunar Gateway, our outpost in lunar orbit. And let's not forget the Canadian Space Agency, which is enhancing our lunar reach with their advanced Canadarm3 robotic system. International collaboration, however, isn't without its challenges. It requires synchronizing different technologies, standards, and protocols. Language barriers and cultural differences must also be navigated. Yet, these hurdles are dwarfed by the benefits. Sharing resources and knowledge accelerates innovation, making the seemingly impossible possible. It also spreads the financial and risk burden, making space exploration more viable. Moreover, it fosters diplomatic relations and promotes peace. After all, when we gaze at the moon, we see no borders, no nations, just one human family under a shared sky. The Artemis program is setting the stage for future international cooperation in space exploration. It's paving the way for humanity's next giant leap, Mars and beyond. It's not just about reaching the moon anymore. It's about the journey there, the lessons we learn, the bonds we forge, and the future we're building together. Through international cooperation, we stand stronger in our quest for lunar exploration. The Artemis program isn't just about reaching the moon. It's about creating a sustainable presence there. This ambitious endeavor goes beyond the romantic notion of planting a flag and leaving footprints. It's about setting up shop and doing it responsibly. To ensure sustainability, the Artemis program incorporates practices for resource extraction, energy generation, and waste management. It's a grand experiment in off-world living, and every step is meticulously planned. Take resource extraction, for instance. The moon is rich in resources like helium-3 and water ice. The helium-3 could be used for clean nuclear fusion, and the water ice, once melted, could potentially sustain life or even be split into hydrogen and oxygen for rocket fuel. But extracting these resources requires careful planning to minimize any potential environmental impact, just as we do here on Earth. And then there's energy generation. The moon's surface is bathed in sunlight for half of its lunar day. That's around 14 Earth days. This abundant solar energy could be harnessed to power lunar bases and operations. But what happens during the long lunar night, when the sun dips below the horizon and darkness descends? The Artemis program is exploring solutions like advanced battery storage or nuclear power to keep the lights on. Waste management, too, is a crucial part of the sustainability equation. The Artemis program is working on strategies to recycle and repurpose waste, turning a challenge into an opportunity. The economic implications of these endeavors are immense. Lunar resource extraction could potentially fuel a new off-world economy, creating jobs and opportunities we can't even begin to imagine. And the technologies developed for Artemis could find applications back on Earth, contributing to our economies in unexpected ways. But with great potential comes great responsibility. The Artemis program also grapples with the ethical considerations and regulations surrounding lunar development and resource exploitation. It's a balancing act, ensuring that our drive to explore and expand doesn't compromise the integrity of the lunar environment. The Artemis program isn't just a mission, it's an investment in our future. It's a leap towards a sustainable, economically viable presence on the moon, paving the way for humanity's next giant leap into the cosmos. The Artemis program isn't just about the here and now, it's about the future. Its impact will be felt for generations to come. Envision a future where the moon is not just an object in the night sky, but a destination. Artemis, with its ambitious lunar exploration program, is making this future a reality. It's not just about setting foot on the lunar surface once again. It's about establishing a sustainable presence and using it as a stepping stone for even grander voyages into the cosmos. Artemis is set to revolutionize lunar science. By establishing a permanent outpost, we can delve deeper into lunar geology, conduct long-term observations, and even explore the far side of the moon, a region yet to be visited by humans. This will not only expand our knowledge of the moon, but also of our own planet and the broader solar system. The technological advancements driven by Artemis are equally groundbreaking. From the development of the Space Launch System, the most powerful rocket ever built, to the Orion Spacecraft and the Lunar Gateway, these innovations are pushing the boundaries of human capability in space. The technologies developed today for Artemis will lay the foundation for future deep space missions. Beyond lunar science and technology, Artemis is a pivotal step in human space exploration. It's about testing our mettle, proving that we can live and work on another celestial body. The lessons learned and the systems perfected here will be invaluable when we set our sights on even more distant horizons such as Mars. But the impact of Artemis isn't limited to science, technology, or exploration alone. It's about inspiring future generations, igniting a passion for space exploration in young minds, and fostering international collaboration in the pursuit of common goals. The Artemis program is more than a mission. It's a gateway to the stars, a testament to our ambition, and a beacon of hope for the future of space exploration.